Hi, I'm Mark Clegg and welcome to the Photographer Academy, and today we're talking about creating a character sheet of expressions in the likes of ChatGPT. Remember, the first thing to do if you haven't set up a ChatGPT account yet is just head over to www.chatgpt, that's GPT as you can see on screen.com, and set up a free account. Everything we're doing is in the free account. You'll be able to actually move on pretty quickly using some of our prompts, and you can even use ChatGPT itself to actually create the prompts for your character. Just tell it the styling that you really want. We're concentrating still on this Pixar kind of look. So without delay, let's get on and take this original image that we created in ChatGPT previously, and we're going to create character sheets. And character sheets will be something that you can kind of then section down into little kind of squares. You can do that in Photoshop or other software, of course, to create your own social media kind of headshots for other things that you might want to use time and time again. So from the original Pixar kind of character that we created, you'll find the prompt below anyway. We're going to upload from the computer that prompt, okay? So we're going to go into my downloads, and I'm going to click onto this image. That's going to upload now. Now remember, to upload an image, what we're doing is telling GPT to kind of use it as the basis of creation, a bit like we're going to put in text, yeah? What we're going to do now, though, is we're going to give it a chat prompt, and we're going to ask it to create a character sheet, okay? So based on this character image, create an expression sheet with 9 different expressions. Make the background plain in color for easy cutout. Once I've done that, I'm then going to actually give it another prompt straight away, is now create a sheet of 9 expressions based on happiness and laughter, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to copy this part of my text that I've created. Now I'm going to actually paste that into ChatGPT, and then I'm just going to hit the black up arrow, and that's going to start the creation. Now remember, as a rule, these take around about 2 to 3 minutes, even a little bit longer at times, to kind of come up with. But the key thing is a bit of patience, and remembering, if you're using the free account of ChatGPT like I am, you're going to be limited to just 3 uploads or 3 to 4 image creations during the 24-hour period as such. Once you start to see the kind of the generation started in here, go make yourself a cup of coffee. With that in mind, that's where I'm going. So there's our first set of images. And now I'm just going to grab another prompt, and I'm going to paste that in below. Now create a sheet of 9 expressions based on just happiness and laughter, each image with eyes open based on the expression. So here we go. Let's hit the black arrow again, and that's. So as you can see, it doesn't always do what you want. I've asked it to keep the eyes open, but it didn't do that. But obviously it knows that, during a laughter part, then basically you know that it's going to be slightly eyes closed to get the images. And you can see that there's kind of slight difference in each one, but some of them are very, very similar, especially the kind of the bottom 2, I would think, and the top 2 right-hand side. But there is a different mouth position and so on with it. So it's just a bit of fun, but again, great for your social media element. If you wanted them to be square, tell them square, okay? And that's obviously where you're going to get the position from. Okay, so now what I want to do is give it another prompt. And just while that was uploading, I was kind of typing it out here on the side. So now create a sheet of 9 full-length images in 2:3 format. That's tall images or portrait images, yeah, with a variety of body, arms and hand positions, as well as a variety of different expressions to match, from really sad to full belly laughter. The character has khaki trousers and black shoes with white laces. The background is a photography studio, slightly blurred to match a Pixar movie style. Now remember, what I'm doing here is I'm just going to copy that a minute and just move that out of the way and paste that into the base. Remember, what I'm doing here is basically I've created a character in a previous ChatGPT, and I've imported that character that I created. So in fact, in the memory of ChatGPT, it doesn't have the kind of the lovely kind of explanation that we did. And if you've kind of missed out on that, the original transformation prompt, text prompt, remember everything is created from a text prompt, was this one. It's transformed this the portrait into a 3D Pixar style animated character and so on and so on. Okay, let me just make that just that little bit bigger on screen for you. Here we go, so you can see it. And from here, it's what gave us the original image. And the original image that I was showing, if I quickly go over to pictures, let me just make that one bigger. This is the original kind of image that we were given it, or it could have been a headshot or whatever it would be. So at this point, because the image might not have a wedding ring on, it's not going to create possibly the full-length image with wedding rings or anything else. So if you've got a fuller length image and you want this to create, then obviously give it your kind of character. But I did tell it khaki trousers. So what I usually wear, most people know in fact I wear shorts, but my legs don't look good in Pixar. And I've asked it for black shoes with white laces. I wear either Converse trainers or Vans, but basically it didn't create that and things really. So what it's done here, it's created the images, but it hasn't created 9. And as you can see, it's basically lost the feet. So it's done exactly what I want though, and it's moved the hands and everything else ready for some animation. Well, remember, we're not doing animation here, but we're just kind of creating those different characters. And then all I need to do is actually recreate these images showing the full length and shoes for easy cutout. What it hasn't done though, it's basically, let me just correct my spelling, even though ChatGPT has pretty much learned what I'm like by now. Cutout, that's what we want. What it didn't do was put a studio behind, okay, a studio look behind, which is just a bit of a shame. But when you think what we've created already, it's still a pretty good result from what we're asking it to do. And all we gave it to begin with was a head and shoulders image and things really. It's put the khaki trousers in, it's put the black shoes with the white lace as well, but it's missed the photo studio in the background. So I hope you enjoyed this quick film on creating your character sheet of expressions and body positions.